She always places aluminum foil balls in the dryer. Look what happens. An average of 93% of you wash clothes. But household chores are not among the favorite pastimes on weekends. Today we show you a trick to make your clothes look like new. Take note. Apart from spending many hours washing, you have to spend hours ironing, and when there are children in the house the activity is frustrating by the stains and other things that appear on our children's clothes. But with this trick today, you will see how it simplifies your life. Our clothing may have or accumulate static electricity. The garments stick to our body and it is very difficult to separate them, right? There are endless tricks to remove electricity from your garments, many with chemicals. This trick is to remove static electricity from clothing. You just have to make a ball the size of a tennis ball with foil and place it in the dryer. You can use it for about 6 months. Efficiently removes all the static of your clothes, avoiding to get lint, hair, etc. Remember to share with your family and friends on Facebook. You can help someone in need.